Hey guys, so today I wanted to show you this really incredible and very beautiful perfume. I cannot wait to show it to you guys. So let's unbox it. I love how modern this style is. You just need to do this and it will immediately open right away. And we have instructions manual. You can see every different fragrance that they have. And what I love the most is that they have fragrance for men as well, which is really good. And let's get it. This will be our perfume. Look how beautiful it looks. I love the presentation. It is so elegant. Imagine having this in your vanity. This is something I've never seen before, which I really like as a perfume lover. This is something that I like. This will be the thank you card, which is so cute. I love the whole concept about this and how creative the owner is. They have all of these type of drawings everywhere. But what I definitely wanted to point out is that you can layer these types of perfumes. I am the biggest fan of layering, so this is something that I've never seen. They tell you which perfumes of the same brand you can layer your perfume with. This is so cool. Like I said, it is very innovative. I love everything about it. So here you got it. This is how it will look like. I love the detail over here of the name of the brand and everything. I love this part. We got this leather thing over here. We got the name. The craftsmanship, it is so cool. I love it. It is so perfectly well made. It is the perfect size, so you can carry it around with you, or you can also leave it in your vanity as well, and it will look so perfect. Okay, so we already did a close-up, but I wanted to have it really close to me. It has the perfect amount of perfume. This will be the spray. So I'm just going to spray it over here. Smells so good. It is a very strong fragrance, which I love, so it can stay with me all over. I love it. Just with one spray it will be more than enough because it smells a lot, which is something that I really like because you can tell that this is the type of perfume that stays with you all day. For the positioning in the target audience, I think this will be a perfect perfume for edgy girls, nonchalant, and like a lazy type of perfume, which I love. It describes me really well. So the notes of the midnight opium of the perfume, the top will be pink pepper, pear, orange blossom. The middle tones will be coffee, jasmine, almond, and licorice. And the base will be vanilla, patchouli, cedar, and cashmere. If you want a long-lasting fragrance like this to be with you all night, I definitely recommend you to put a little bit of lotion on top of your skin before putting this. I love it. It smells so good. This perfume is definitely an elegance statement. In my personal opinion, I love the whole concept of this brand because it makes you feel like you are very seen. It doesn't make perfumes for everyone, it makes a perfume for every single person and type of personality. Like I said, you have all of these different perfumes to choose from, even men can choose one. And I love the presentation, I love how good it smells. And the most important thing about it is that when you choose a perfume, not only for yourself, but when you're giving it to someone as a gift, you can definitely see their personality reflected in a perfume. So it makes it easier for you to choose a perfume or a fragrance for someone that you love and care about. So I definitely recommend it to you guys. Go get yours. Bye.